Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you a simple method to take a full page screenshot in Google Chrome. Let's get started. The best part is you don't need to install any extensions for this. First, open the web page that you want to capture. Once the page is open, right-click anywhere on the screen and select Inspect. This will open Chrome's Developer Tools. Now, at the top of the Developer Tools panel, make sure you're on the Performance tab. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click on the arrows to find it. Look at the top of the Developer Tools panel. From here, we need to open the Command menu. On a Mac, press Shift plus Command plus P. If you're using Windows, press Shift plus Control plus P. A small command search box will appear. In this search box, type Screenshot. You'll see a few screenshot-related options show up. From the list, select Capture Full-Size Screenshot. Chrome will immediately capture the entire web page, including parts that aren't visible on the screen. Once it's done, the screenshot will be saved automatically. You can find it in your Downloads folder. And that's it. That's how you can take a full-page screenshot in Google Chrome without using any extensions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.